Ready to unlock luxury living in Noida? Let's dive in. Welcome to Ambience Tiverton Sector 50 Noida, where elegance meets comfort. Imagine waking up in spacious, sunlit apartments. Enjoy state-of-the-art amenities. Gym, pool, club. We've got it all. Need more? How about lush green landscapes and serene surroundings? Perfect for morning walks or evening relaxation. Plus, top-notch security for your peace of mind. Located in the heart of Noida, you're connected to major hubs. Shopping, dining, entertainment, all just a stone's throw away. And easy access to public transport means less commuting, more living. Dreaming of the perfect home? Ambience Tiverton is your answer. Experience luxury, experience life. Call 9810468882 for more details. Your dream home awaits. Remember, Ambience Tiverton, Sector 50 Noida, Noida's best kept secret, 9810468882.